Today, I and my team members will be talking on the topic treatment of cough associated with tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis that infects and damages lung tissue. And that infection can cause irritation and inflammation of the lung tissue, which leads to production of stimulation of cough receptors. And that stimulation of cough receptor will now cause cough to be produced that contains blood and mucus.
Good afternoon. I'll be talking about isoniazid. Isoniazid is a drug of choice for treatment of tuberculosis. It can also be called isonicotinonic acid hydrolysate. It acts by increasing malic acid in the cell walls, and it can be used with other antibiotics. Combination with other antibiotics to prevent resistant development. Under the pharmacokinetics of isoniazid, in the absorption, it is absorbed orally, and it reaches its plasma concentration within 2 to 3 hours of being ingested. It crosses the placenta and it can be found in breast milk. That means it is called pharmacokinetics of isoniazid. It is absorbed orally and it reaches its plasma concentration after 2 to 3 hours of being ingested. And it is not necessary, not really necessary to take food. You mustn't take food before you take the drug. You can take it with food or without food. It will still reach its GIT. The reason why they don't use food is that whether food or not, it will still attain its viral easy. Under the distribution, it is widely distributed in the tissues and infused, including the liver and the lung, placenta, and it can be found in breast milk. That means it can be contraindicated in pregnant women and also children. Under the metabolism, it metabolizes the liver by acetylation. And that acetylation process, there are two, the fast acetylator and the slow acetylator. Fast acetylator means that they have fast metabolism, and slow acetylator means that they have slow metabolism. And those ones that have slow metabolism, they have higher toxicity. So it's advised to take the fast acetylator drugs because they are slow in the plasma, they are slow in their plasma concentration. In their excretions, they are excreted in the urine, and about 75% is removed from the urine. Under their contraindication, they have no hypersensitivity to isoniazid. Then for severe liver diseases and history of isoniazid induced hepatitis. Also, active liver injuries can cause contraindications in isoniazid. Side effects.
Alright.
For their side effects, they have gastrointestinal disturbances, peripheral neuropathy, and hepatotoxicity. In conclusion, make sure if someone is under isoniazid, it's advised to monitor the patient for signs of liver dysfunctions and to know when to stop to prevent.
Good day, everyone. I'll be speaking on one of the drug use or treatment of tuberculosis known as before. First, I would like us to know that those drugs are important first-line treatments used for tuberculosis. Also, this drug is primarily used for the treatment of tuberculosis, but those that are inhibiting the cell wall formation causing the TB infection. Also, this drug can be used in combination with other anti-TB medications such as the rifampicin, streptomycin, the amikacin, and the rest of them. That's the pharmacology of this drug. Under the pharmacokinetics, in the absorption phase, this drug is absorbed well from the GI tract. Reason being that this drug has a small lipophilic molecule which makes it easier to cross the GI membrane. Then down to the metabolism phase, it is well metabolized from the liver, the kidney, and the tissues. In the distribution phase, it is widely distributed in the body tissues, the liver, the kidney. Then down to the excretion phase, it is excreted and changed in the urine. Now to the pharmacokinetics of this drug, it inhibits the synthesis of mycobacterial cell wall, which is basically known as the arabinoglycan synthesis. Also, this drug is characteristic against actively growing bacilli.
Tuberculosis is a severe bacterial infection caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and also to help yourself and also those around you cover your nose and mouth when you're sneezing and coughing, And also do not share your personal items, and also make sure that you take your medications as prescribed by your healthcare